dears, how are you doing? I am teacher Elcio and today we'll talk about the difference between little and few. Are you ready? Come with me. I will start with little. Little is used with uncountable nouns. For example, Elcio, let's go shop with us. Sorry, I have a little money.
Porque eu não tenho dinheiro!
Few is used with countable nouns. For example, Elcio, why are you so sad? It's because I have few friends.
Eu não tenho amigos.
It's possible to put the article a before little and few. For example, Elcio, let's go shop with us. Oh, okay, very good idea. I have a little money.
Sou rica!
And a few, for example, I'm not alone. I have a few friends.
Na vida é tão bom ter amigos.
That's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please give your thumbs up and subscribe. See you. Bye.